Wooden crafts have an enduring charm that captures the essence of nature while showcasing versatility and functionality. The tactile quality of wood, with its unique grains and textures, invites creativity and innovation. Crafting with wood allows artisans to create a wide array of beautiful items that not only serve practical purposes, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space. Whether for personal use or as gifts, wooden crafts embody a timeless elegance that resonates with many. One of the most captivating aspects of working with wood is its ability to transform into stunning home decor items. Consider a beautifully crafted wooden bowl. This seemingly simple piece can be a centerpiece on a dining table or a decorative item on a sideboard. The process begins with selecting the right type of wood, such as maple or walnut, known for their rich colors and durability. As the bowl takes shape, artisans can choose to leave the surface in its natural state, highlighting the unique grain patterns, or apply a finish that enhances the wood's beauty. The final product is a functional piece that invites touch and admiration, making it a perfect example of how wood can blend utility with artistry. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another remarkable project is the creation of wooden wall art. Unlike traditional paintings or prints, wooden wall art offers a unique tactile experience and an organic aesthetic. Artisans can cut, carve, and arrange pieces of wood into intricate designs, ranging from abstract forms to nature-inspired motifs. The layering of different wood types can create depth and contrast, adding visual interest to any wall. A striking piece of wooden wall art can serve as a focal point in a room, drawing the eye and sparking conversation. Whether it's a minimalist design or a more elaborate creation, wooden art pieces can evoke emotions and memories, making them cherished additions to any home. The versatility of wood extends to functional items as well. Wooden serving trays, for instance, combine beauty with practicality. A handcrafted tray can elevate everyday experiences, from serving drinks to organizing items on a coffee table. By choosing a design that complements personal style, be it rustic, modern, or something in between, artisans can create trays that fit seamlessly into their decor. The warmth of wood enhances the inviting atmosphere of gatherings, making it a perfect item for entertaining guests. Personalizing a tray with engravings or unique finishes can add a special touch, turning it into a memorable gift. In the realm of personal accessories, wooden jewelry offers an elegant yet natural option. Crafting earrings, necklaces, and bracelets from wood allows artisans to explore shapes and designs that reflect their individuality. The lightweight nature of wooden jewelry makes it comfortable to wear, and the unique grains and colors of different woods ensure that each piece stands out. Artisans can experiment with techniques such as inlay or layering, combining wood with other materials like metal or resin to create striking contrasts. This blending of materials can result in pieces that are both visually stunning and deeply personal, making them perfect for self-expression or as thoughtful gifts. Wooden toys also exemplify the beauty and versatility of wood. Handmade wooden toys, such as puzzles or building blocks, evoke nostalgia while providing children with safe, engaging playthings. The tactile nature of wood encourages imaginative play, promoting creativity and exploration. Crafting toys from sustainably sourced wood not only ensures safety but also teaches children the value of natural materials. Each toy can have its unique character, from simple shapes to more complex designs, allowing artisans to infuse personality into their creations. As these toys are passed down through generations, they become cherished heirlooms, each carrying its own story. Another fascinating project is creating wooden furniture. The process of crafting items like chairs, tables, or shelves allows artisans to combine functionality with design. A well-made wooden table not only serves as a place for meals and gatherings, but also becomes a piece of art in itself. In addition to furniture, wooden storage solutions can be both practical and beautiful. Crafting boxes, bins, or organizers allows for creativity in design while providing functional storage options. A wooden box can serve as a keepsake holder, while a set of wooden organizers can help declutter a workspace. The versatility of wood allows artisans to create items that fit various styles and purposes. Personal touches, such as custom engravings or unique finishes, can enhance the beauty of these storage solutions, making them more than mere utility items. They become integral parts of home decor. For those interested in outdoor decor, wooden garden items can bring a touch of nature to the landscape. Crafting items like birdhouses, planters, or garden signs allows artisans to extend their creativity beyond the indoors. A wooden planter, for example, can beautifully showcase flowers or herbs, adding life to any outdoor space. By using weather-resistant finishes, these items can endure the elements while maintaining their beauty. Personalized garden signs can provide a whimsical touch, marking different areas of the garden or displaying inspirational quotes. These creations not only enhance the outdoor environment but also invite reflection and appreciation of nature. The process of upcycling wooden materials is another avenue that highlights the versatility of wood. Repurposing old furniture or scrap wood into new items encourages creativity and sustainability. For instance, transforming an old wooden pallet into a coffee table or using reclaimed wood to craft shelves can yield stunning results while reducing waste. The character and history of upcycled wood add an extra layer of depth to each piece, making them unique and interesting. This approach not only fosters environmental responsibility but also inspires artisans to think outside the box, reimagining the potential of materials they already have. Finally, integrating modern techniques into wooden crafts can enhance creativity and precision. For example, using laser cutting allows artisans to create intricate designs with remarkable accuracy. This technology can be applied to a variety of projects, from wall art to personalized gifts, enabling detailed patterns that might be difficult to achieve by hand. The combination of traditional craftsmanship with modern technology opens up new possibilities for creation, allowing artisans to explore and expand their artistic boundaries. Wooden crafts offer an enriching journey into the world of creativity, beauty, and versatility. From decorative home accents and practical items to personal accessories and outdoor decor, the potential for crafting with wood is limitless. Each piece created not only showcases the natural beauty of wood but also serves a purpose, whether enhancing a living space, providing functionality, or evoking cherished memories. As artisans continue to explore the possibilities of wood, they contribute to a growing appreciation for handcrafted items that celebrate the elegance of nature and the joy of creativity. Engaging in wooden crafts can be a fulfilling pursuit, leaving a lasting impact on both the creator and the recipient, ultimately enriching our lives with the warmth and beauty of wood. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.